Giraffes are the tallest land mammal in the world. They have long legs and necks, with their legs measuring about 6 feet long and their necks also being 6 feet long. Giraffes live in savannas, grasslands, and open forests in Africa. They prefer dry climates and can be found in sub-Saharan regions. Giraffes have unique patches on their bodies that help them blend in with their surroundings. No two giraffes have the same pattern of spots. A giraffe's tongue is massive, measuring up to 45 centimeters long. This long tongue helps them forage on trees and reach leaves that other animals can't. Giraffes spend most of their day eating. They consume around 45 kilograms, 100 pounds, of leaves and twigs daily. Giraffes can run at speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour, 37 miles per hour, over short distances. Their long legs and powerful kicks help them defend against predators. Giraffes have a unique heart that is about 2 feet long. This large heart helps pump blood up their long necks to reach their brains. Giraffes are gentle and peaceful animals. They usually live in small groups called towers and have a calm and non-aggressive nature.